Welcome back to another episode of Curios for the Curious. Today we're looking at something from AppMex. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items, AppMex. And just so you know, depending on what type of item you're looking at, it all depends on what current market value is to determine what price you will end up paying. So keep an eye on current market prices, trends, if you can identify them, and watch the ticker at the top of the website for whatever medium you're looking at, and order accordingly. So again, AppMex. So this is, if we look at the top label to bring it a little bit closer, is the 2020 Australia 1 ounce silver $1 Lucky Cat Proof. So you can see a SKU number. I don't know if you can actually see that little date there, but it is from August of 2020, barcode, and then a little bit more lettering there. Turn it over to the other label, another barcode, and then there we have Lucky Cat, actual UPC code, and another serial number there. Nothing at the bottom, it's kind of a fold together box. And let's go ahead and open it. So just plain cardboard, and here we have, right away you can see kind of an illustration of a smiling, happy Lucky Cat. Let's see if we can go ahead and take this out. It is quite a tight fit in there. Set this aside. So this is the bottom of the box now. You can see here Lucky Cat, but on a stylized goldfish. Here swimming in. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bag. Make sure a little bit less glare, but it is metallic. There, so you can see we're getting a reflection. Let's see if you can see the pattern there in the foil. You can just sort of see it there. It's kind of like stylized bubbles made out of shapes. But let's see if this helps. There we go. There you can see some of them right there. So again, this is from the Perth Mint, Australia, and East Perth, Western Australia, and then there's a website there as well if you can pick that out. Another UPC code identifying this as the 2020 Lucky Cat 1 ounce silver. And then a little bit of abbreviation there as well. You can see that. And the same number over there. Here we have a continuation of the foil pattern. You sort of see it there. And on this side it's very clear how they did that part of the scales, but then here you can see the more subtle foil pattern there. And again we get back to Lucky Cat. And this is actually kind of a flap fold over that you're not supposed to open. I mean, you could open it that way, but it's just easier to slide this off. And nothing on the interior there. So now we got a kind of presentation box. We open the top. See foam padding on the top there. It is attached, so there's nothing actually underneath there. You can sort of see just a dark cardboard surface there. Here we have the certificate of authenticity and the technical specifications. Let me try and get this slide off and see if that helps. So you can see they list the silver content, monetary denomination, fineness, minimum gross weight in grams, maximum diameter in millimeters, maximum thickness in millimeters, maximum mintage, designer, and then more Perth Mint info right there. So again, feel free to research current product offerings from Perth Mint on whatever website that you want to purchase from. So here we have information on the certificate. Let's go ahead and read that about the lucky cat and kind of the symbolism behind it. Okay, so we'll put that into the lid there, and then here we have foam sheet, and then the actual items themselves. Silica pack, and you can see how it's actually, you could actually probably put this up as a shadow box and get it that way. Try to gently take it all out. You can see the recess in the foam there for the actual object. And I've never actually taken this out further than this, so you can see that the cat actually freely moves, which is interesting, and his hand waves as well. So there's also a cover over the bar itself, and you can see the bar has been colorized as well. It's a nice shimmering effect, and I've never actually taken this out of its packaging. Okay. There we go. So he is freely moving. Okay, that came off easy. Let's see if I can get the bar out. Okay. That, and there's the back. Never seen the back of this. So this is from Tuvalu. Alright, again the front, and it is in a protective case. Put that back that way. It is a very firm fit. And for now I'm just going to sit it back in here. So again, taking a quick look at Lucky Cat. And this one is listed as white color, so I'm sure there were other editions as well. Feel free to research more details on Lucky Cat. This has been another episode of Curios for the Curious. Feel free to check out other episodes on artsy type objects. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.